Okay guys, back at our property. Again, there's Cemetery Homes, one of our builder of our house. So what's been completed this whole week is they started pouring all the concrete. That's our sidewalk, our mailbox right in front of our house, and all the poured concrete there. So they poured in our drive pad already, and they also colored in our put the color on our stucco. So our garages are that very dark espresso brown, and then we've got this kind of lighter tan on our stucco. So very nice. And they poured the pathway that's leading to our front door, and then that's the stucco color again. Nice contrast between the dark doors and features and then the lighter stucco color. Okay, so let's go in the front door, and they installed the carpet. So right when you come in, the carpet's installed already. It's a nice, beautiful carpet. Again, there's our countertop. Our kitchen. So, again, beautiful work that they've been doing. That's our pantry. Chandelier for our dining room. So, carpet's been installed. We've got about 3 more weeks, I think, before we close. A carpet in the bedroom. So nice, beautiful carpet into our master bath here. Okay. So things are moving along. And then also carpet in the closet here as well with all of our racks. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Hello there.
Hi.
So there's carpet throughout to the hallways and also the bedrooms. Okay, so there's carpet in all those areas. So first bedroom here with carpet. And they've installed their closet doors and the knobs for the doors as well. And then carpet in the second bedroom here. So, looking amazing. Okay. And then the guest bath as well. So, things are looking great. Been happy with the results so far. The laundry room. The little shelf, which is nice. And then let's go show you the stucco out in the back. I'm going to the garage here. So garage. Here. They poured the dry pad here, concrete pad here for our trash can and a recycling bin and the AC there, the condenser for the AC, and then also a little walkway to when we pull out the trash in the recycle bins that lead to the dry pad here to the streets, which is nice. And that's the stucco color there. A pad for our future hot tub that we'll install in a couple of years. Okay, so they've already poured that. And then back again to that nice stucco color. So really complements the almond color of the windows as well, which is nice, beautiful color. So things are moving along. We're almost done, guys. So we've got the landscaping to do. That's probably the biggest next change that you'll see here in the next couple weeks, and a little bit more mechanical stuff, appliances, things like that. But other than that, let me give you another shot of the whole place, whole house here, right in front. It's a sunny day today. All right, guys. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.